All right, boys and girls, here we are. We have practice 4 of chapter 19. And this time, instead of just the area, we're going to also go and we're going to figure out what the perimeter is. So the perimeter, again, is kind of like the rim around the edge, the fence of the field, if you want to think of it like that. So number 1, it's asking us to find the perimeter and the area for each shaded figure. So I'm going to come over here. Let's just kind of go like this for a second. So we got 1, 2, 3 over, 2, 3 up. So here's going to be our figure for problem number 1. Now the perimeter is each little line segment here, 1 centimeter square at a time. So we have perimeter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so again, it's each of these little lines. So like there's 1. I like to kind of draw a line to it. I made dots, but 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the perimeter is 12 centimeters. Okay, now the area, we count the dots on the inside. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is 6 centimeters squared. So if you remember, that is where we want to make sure we add the little 2. And this is written out for us, so we don't really have to do that as much, right? It's kind of done for us. But let's go on to the next one. Question 2. Let's see here. Again, we have kind of 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It comes over 2 this time. Okay, so it kind of looks like that. Now let's go ahead and let's count let's do the perimeter again first, okay? Let's try this. So our perimeter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whoop, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, okay? So again, perimeter is 14 centimeters, and our area on this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're counting the squares inside, so 6 square inches. I'm sorry if I said centimeters for number 2 on this one. It's inches, not centimeters. So, all right, here we go. Let's go on to our next one. So again, 14 inches. And then 6 square inches for the area. Now this here one, it looks to me, I just want to make sure we get, I'm going to put it up there just a little bit further. There we go. We have 4 across this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to go up to 3 over 2, down 1. All right, there we go. So it's asking us for the perimeter again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I missed the dot. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So on that one there, we have 18. Now this is centimeters again, so 18 centimeters. Excuse me. Now the area for this, the dots inside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, we're kind of counting the squares, or counting the little boxes, if you will. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Clear that off. All right, last one here. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's do our perimeter. Again, that's each little section from peg to peg. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 inches. For the area of this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so again, 10 square inches. All right. Now, complete, find the perimeter and area of each shaded figure. So let's go ahead and let's look at this now. The perimeter. So let's go through and count it without the picture now. And I'm just going to kind of drag my mouse here, and you guys count along with me, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So did you guys get 12 meters for that one? Remember, each one's a meter, right? Good. All right, now let's look at our square meters, or the area this time. That's just counting our boxes, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. So that's 5 square meters, okay? All right, let's do the perimeter of figure B now. Usually I for sure like to put a dot or something because I always like to know where I start, right? So let's start right here this time. So I got an easy spot to remember. You know what? Let's do it right here. Okay, we'll go around the clock. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have a perimeter of 16 feet. The area, we count our boxes, count our squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 square feet. Now let's do that again for this one. Perimeter on this one, again, let's start right here again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And our area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 square meters. All right, let's do this one. I'm going to start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 feet in perimeter. And our area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 square feet. Now, this says draw 2 different figures with an area of 5 square meters. Okay, so let's go the first one. 5 square meters. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, do we have 5 square centimeters on here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Now I need to do a different one over here. So let's go 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, 2 different figures, but they both have 5 square centimeters. What do you notice about the perimeters? Well, let's check out our perimeter here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for this one. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's do the perimeter for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 for this one. So there's a little bit of difference there, right? And let's go on to our next one. This time it says draw 2 different figures with a perimeter of 8 centimeters. So this time the outside has to be 8, not the inside, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's a 1. Oh, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 centimeters for the perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's look at the area, the part on the inside. So this area has 1, 2, 3, and this area has 1, 2, 3, 4. So pretty close to, the same as what we had there, right? But there's a little bit difference. now it says find the area and perimeter of each of these figures. So let's go ahead. Let's do the perimeter first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the perimeter in that one is 12. The area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 square meters. And now remember that would be 12 m, or meters. We just need the m on it. And for the area, it would be 9 meters, or the m again for the abbreviation, squared. So we put the little 2 up there, right? This one here, let's do the perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 meters again. Area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 meters squared. Do figures A and B have the same area? Yes, they do. They both had 9. Okay. 14 asks, do figures A and B have the same perimeter? No, they do not. This one was 12. This one was 18. What is different about perimeter and area? A lot of times if it's a different shape and it's the same perimeter, the area is different. If it's the same area but a different shape, then the perimeter is different. I guess that would be kind of a way to think about that, okay? All right, find the area. Mr. Jones built the following koi pond in his front yard. What is the total area of this pond? So I look at this, and I see A is a 5 by 9 rectangle, and B is a 6 by 8 rectangle, okay? It's kind of saying 9 times 5 is 45, so that's your area on the inside. B, 6 times 8 is 48, so 48, 5 plus 48 is 93. So the meters are 93 square meters. So Mr. and Mrs. Meyer want to build a pool in their front yard. They designed the following pools. If Mr. and Mrs. Meyer want to build a pool with the largest area, which design should they pick? So let's do 3 by 8 is 24. Okay. 5 by 7 is 35. You add those two together, we have 59 square meters for C and D. Now let's go over here. A 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36. You add those together, it's 61. So design B would be just a little bit larger by 2 square meters. Okay? So again, C, we went 3 times 8, and that equaled 24. 5 times 7 is 35, and then 24 plus 35 is 59. E and F, we had 5 times 5 is 25, and 6 times 6 is 36. 25 plus 36 is 61. All right, so Mr. and Mrs. Meyer should pick pool design. Want the largest area, so they want pool design EF, as it has the larger area of 61 square meters. All right, boys and girls, great job on that. I know area and perimeter can be a little tricky, but if you just remember that rim around the fence is perimeter and area is the amount inside. Okay, so take care and we'll see you next time.